Hey there, my friend. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make any woman think about you non-stop. I'm about to share 15 powerful secrets from my lifetime of experience. If you follow these steps, you'll have any woman completely obsessed with you. But remember, use these teachings with good intentions, never to manipulate or harm. To make a woman obsessed, you must appear interesting, mysterious, and valuable. Women have endless choices, so you need to stand out from the crowd of guys who are always at her beck and call. Women desire what is difficult to attain and valuable. If you're always available, she'll see you as worthless. Stay with us till the end, and don't miss out on the mind-blowing rules at the end. And please, if you're new here, why don't you support our channel by subscribing, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing with your friends. Now let's dive into how to keep her thinking about you all the time. Rule number 1, be confident, not cocky. Confidence is magnetic, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Women are naturally drawn to a man who knows his worth, but no one likes a braggart. Carry yourself with self-assuredness in your words, actions, and body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. When you're confident, you send the message that you know you have something valuable to offer. However, remember that confidence should never come off as superiority or entitlement. Show her you're confident without making her feel inferior. Rule number 2, keep the mystery alive in conversation. When talking to her, especially during the early stages, don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. The goal is to leave her wanting more. Share just enough to pique her interest, but hold back on deeper details. This not only keeps her intrigued, but also gives her a reason to continue the conversation. When she asks questions about you, be a bit elusive or give answers that spark further curiosity. This way, she'll always look forward to the next conversation to uncover more about you. Rule number 3, challenge her mind. Don't just rely on looks and charm. Engage her intellectually. Women love a man who can stimulate their mind, challenge their ideas, and offer interesting perspectives. Discuss topics that interest you both. Ask for her opinion, and be genuinely interested in what she has to say. A man who can engage in deep, meaningful conversation stands out from those who only focus on superficial matters. Make her see that you're not just another pretty face, but someone who offers intellectual depth. Rule number 4, be a leader. Women are naturally attracted to men who can take charge, make decisions, and lead the way. This doesn't mean you should dominate or control, but rather be someone who confidently makes plans, takes initiative, and guides her through new experiences. When planning a date, take the reins, choose the restaurant, pick the activity, and show her that you know how to make things happen. This kind of leadership makes her feel secure and valued. Rule number 5, maintain a life outside of her. One of the most attractive qualities in a man is having a fulfilling life outside of a relationship. Whether it's your career, hobbies, friendships, or personal growth, make sure you have a life that doesn't revolve around her. Women are drawn to men who are passionate and have their own goals and interests. When she sees that you're busy building your own life, she'll be more eager to be a part of it. This also prevents you from becoming too dependent on her for happiness. Rule number 6, give her space to miss you. It's important not to smother her with constant attention. Even if things are going well, give her some breathing room. When you're not always around or available, it gives her the chance to miss you and think about you. This doesn't mean playing games. It's about maintaining a healthy balance. Let her come to you sometimes, and don't always be the one to initiate contact. Absence truly does make the heart grow fonder. Rule number 7, be a man of action, not just words. Anyone can talk a big game, but actions speak louder than words. If you say you're going to do something, follow through. If you promise to take her somewhere or do something special, make sure it happens. Women respect men who are reliable and back up their words with actions. This builds trust and shows her that you're a man of integrity. Rule number 8. Stay mysterious in your future plans. While it's great to share your aspirations and goals, don't lay out your entire life plan. Keep some aspects of your future open-ended and mysterious. For instance, if she asks about your long-term plans, give her a glimpse but don't detail every step. This keeps her intrigued and wondering where she might fit into your future. The unknown adds a layer of excitement and makes her more invested in learning about what comes next. Rule number 9. Be a gentleman with a twist. Being a gentleman never goes out of style. Hold doors open, be polite, and treat her with respect, but add a twist to keep things interesting. For example, after a charming, gentlemanly gesture, say something unexpected or tease her playfully. This mix of chivalry and playfulness creates a dynamic that's both endearing and exciting. It shows her that while you respect her, you're also fun and unpredictable. Rule number 10. Surprise her occasionally. Surprises keep the relationship fresh and exciting. It doesn't have to be anything grand. Sometimes, small, thoughtful gestures make the biggest impact. Perhaps it's bringing her favorite coffee when she's had a rough day, or planning a spontaneous weekend getaway. These surprises show that you're thinking about her and care enough to put in the effort. It also breaks the monotony and keeps the relationship lively. Rule number 11. Be passionate about your life. Passion is contagious. When you're passionate about your work, hobbies, or causes you care about, it shows in everything you do. Women are drawn to men who have a fire within them, who are excited about life, and who have a clear sense of purpose. Share your passions with her, invite her to be a part of them, and encourage her to pursue her own. A man who is passionate about his life is endlessly attractive and hard to forget. Rule number 12. Don't be predictable. Listen closely. The biggest mistake you can make is being predictable. If she can predict your every move, she'll lose interest fast. Women are drawn to men who are a bit unpredictable, like the so-called bad boys. Here's a tip. If you're always sending a good morning or good night text at the same time every day, stop. Switch it up. Sometimes don't send it at all. Let her wonder what you're up to. And when she texts you, don't reply immediately. Make her wait. She'll be on edge, excited to see your name pop up on her phone. Rule number 13. Become mysterious. Women are curious by nature, and when they don't have all the answers, their imagination runs wild. To keep a woman thinking about you, you need to give her something to fantasize about. Stop sharing every detail of your life on social media. Instead, post less and make what you do post more mysterious. For example, post a picture of your drink with a blurred background. No location, no tags. Let her wonder where you are and who you're with. If you're always online, go silent for a day. When you finally reply to her message with something like, "Hey, had a super busy day, just winding down now. Talk tomorrow," she'll know that you have a life beyond her. This drives women wild. They don't want a man with nothing going on. Rule number 14. Disappear at the right moments. Contrary to what some say, don't just vanish out of the blue. If she's an attractive woman with options, she'll move on if you ghost her too soon. You need to engage her first, make her feel your presence, and then disappear at key moments. Be sporadic in your responses. Maybe take a few hours to reply, or even a day. This keeps her guessing. She might start thinking you've got another woman, and that tiny spark of jealousy will make her fight to keep you around. Remember, the goal is to be unpredictable and elusive, not completely absent. Rule number 15. Act busy and schedule meetings on your terms. The key is to make her feel like your time is valuable. Instead of saying, "I'm free whenever you want," which makes you look desperate, tell her, "I've got a busy week, but I can carve out some time for you on Saturday at 7 p.m. Show her that you're giving her something precious, your time. And during the date, keep the focus on her. When she asks about your day, keep your answers brief. This leaves her wanting more, eager to learn about the parts of your life you haven't shared. After the date, don't rush to text her. Give her time to think about you. Even better, wait for her to reach out first. When you do text, keep your messages simple and to the point. By not always being available, you create the space for her to miss you and crave your company. If you master these techniques and she doesn't respond, then perhaps she's not the one for you. Don't worry. Use that time to improve yourself and hone your skills. There are plenty of other women out there, and with these secrets, you'll be the one they can't stop thinking about.